What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing all these ends while you motherfuckers got to be. I'm just cocksucking, eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a quick style. I'm not going in on freshly washed hair today. My hair needs to wash and I need a quick style to hold me over until wash day. So I'm gonna go in with my Better Lens clip-ins. This is like my 4th install and the clip-ins have really held up and they're still nice and soft and very full. I braided half of my hair down and I left the top up because we're gonna do a half up, half down. You're going to want to measure the clip-ins to the size of your head and put the pieces in accordingly. You're gonna put the pieces in a C-like shape and bring the sides up with a curve as you put them in. So the closer you go to the top, the sides will fall and cover any tracks from the clip-ins that will show. I don't know if that explained it right, but just look at what I'm doing in the video closely and you'll see what I'm referring to. And you're just gonna keep filling it in up closely and make sure that your tracks are covered until you get to the top of the style. And when you're at the top, you're going to use a small piece of the clip-ins just to cover the space that's left right there. And we look crazy, but we're gonna fix that real soon. I'm going to clip the hairs up with like some clips just to hold it back, and then guys, I'm going to go in with some gel. Oh, I went in with some water at first because my hair was really dry. My hair, as I said, needed a wash, and I'm gonna go in with my Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. And you know my usual way that I go in to sleek my hair. I put the gel around the perimeter of my hair and I part my hair into small sections, and I applied the gel from the roots all the way up, and I just go in and part the hair and I comb it out and detangle it at the same time. And I'm just parting the hair in sections, and this step is repetitive, so I kind of fast forwarded this part because you've seen me do this already many times before. And I'm just going in, applying the gel back and forth and just combing through the hair, because this is what really gets the hair to lay when you comb it and smooth it as you go along. And guys, the track that is showing at the top right there, it won't be showing when I'm done, and you'll see we're gonna fix that. Nothing will be showing. It'll all look seamless. And then I'm going to part my edges out. You know, we don't got no baby hairs, but I have edges though, that much I know. So I'm going to make my little swoopy things, and I'm just using my Style Factor Edge Booster just to make my little swoopy edges. You don't have to like do this to your edges. You can just brush your hair up and leave it, but I like it this way. And I'm going in with some olive oil sheen spray. Then I'm gonna go in with my Rapid styling strips, and I'm just gonna tie that down to lay my edges while I work on the rest of this hair. I'm going to take like 2 sections from the back right where we laid that last track, and you're just gonna take those pieces and wrap it around the bun that's at the top of our head, and that will cover the track that was showing. We won't have any type of track showing. It will all look seamless. Oh my god. And then I'm just gonna go in with a bobby pin and pin it down, and I'm adding like 2 pieces of the clip-ins, just wrapping it around my little bun that's at the top, and that's gonna create the bun that I will leave at the top of my hair. And I'm just using some bobby pins to secure this. Wrap the hair around and secure it with bobby pins, and that's basically it. And guys, fun fact, I was recording this video at 3 something in the morning. Like, yes, that's the time that I was recording this video and doing my hair, because that was the only time I had available to do it.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. I see the popo behind me. Ain't gon' stop. I check the top of the Maybach. Ain't gon' stop.
Then gonna go in and part out a section of the hair. I'm just going in with some water, and then I'm gonna go in with my As I Am leave-in conditioner, finger detangling. Then I'm gonna go in with my Denman brush from the, you want to comb the hair out from the tips to the roots, just so you'll have less hair coming out. And yes, and after which I will go in with my Cantu define and curl custard. That's what it's called, define and shine custard, sorry. And I'm just gonna go through that with a Denman brush, and I'm going to repeat those steps all through the back of the hair. Like guys, look at how amazing the hair looks. Like, these clip-ins are really nice, and they are worth the coins because they last, and I've legit washed this hair 4 times already. Like, what clip-ins, sis? Like, we did the rice water challenge. Like, look at my hair, because that ain't no clip-ins. Please leave me a like and a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your notifications on. Catch you in my next one, guys. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah.